One of Recogniform Reader most appreciated features is Recogniform Application Designer Script section. You can use a powerful scripting language to modify the standard program behavior. This allows to define cross-validation rules, perform validity checking, include logical and formal controls, customize data-to-output format, and, generally, define any custom operation in any processing step. Input, recognition, verified, or output. The script is event-oriented. This means that script instructions can be associated to any specific point of the process. For each step, you will find several sections available, working on the phase, on the form, on the page, and on the field. Since you can decide to execute some operations at the beginning, or at the end of a step, each section will be related to the start, or to the end of the process. This leads to have sections named like follows. On start, form, recognition. On end, field, recognition. On end, field, correction. On end, page, correction. On start, form, output. And so on. The choice of the event that will accommodate script code depends from the instructions to implement. For example, to check the validity of the total amount of an invoice, you will need to get single items amount first. Therefore, control is only possible once all fields have been recognized already. The right script event is on end, form, recognition. Also, to be sure that operator types a valid value in verify interface, you can customize software behavior in the event on end, field, correction. In this way you can decide exactly what to do, in the instant when operator presses enter, to confirm a value. In that moment, for example, you can perform a cross-validation on an external database, check if the typed value is compliant with other information. In case of error, you can force software to prompt an error message, informing the operator that the typed value is not valid for some reason. These alerts may be a simple warning, or may stop the operator from going further with the validation. Another interesting example concerns the possibility to modify the output behavior. Using the script, you can create a 100% customized output. For example, you can write information on different databases according to some conditions. Or save multiple copies of the processed documents, with different format and resolution, in order to optimize it for archiving, web publication, or mobile visualization. Recogniform script section may be defined as the core of the template development. Thanks to its hundreds of functions, you can manage any kind of document, and set any kind of rule. This makes Recogniform Reader the perfect solution for any kind of user. From small companies, to large enterprises.